Most people work hard all their life but still struggle with money. Not because they earn less, but because nobody taught them personal finance. In this video, you'll understand the basics of personal finance in simple language, even if you are a complete beginner. Personal finance simply means how you manage your money. It includes how you earn money, how you spend money, how you save money, how you invest money. Personal finance is not about becoming rich overnight. It is about having control over your money, so money doesn't control your life. The four pillars of personal finance. 1. Income. Income is the money you earn. Salary, business income, freelancing, everything counts. But here's the truth. High income does not guarantee wealth. Many high earners are still broke because income alone is not enough. 2. Expenses. Expenses are where most people fail. As income increases, expenses increase even faster. This is called lifestyle inflation. If you don't control expenses, no amount of income will ever be enough. 3. Saving means keeping money aside for safety. Emergency fund, savings account, fixed deposits. These protect you from sudden problems like job loss or medical emergencies. Saving gives peace of mind, but saving alone will not build wealth. 4. Investing. Investing means putting money to work for you. It helps your money grow over time and beat inflation. Investing is not gambling. Gambling is investing without knowledge. Beginners should focus on learning basics before investing real money. Most beginners make these mistakes: spending first, saving later. No emergency fund, chasing quick profits. Not learning before investing. Avoiding mistakes is more important than earning high returns. If you're a beginner, start here. Track your expenses. Build an emergency fund. Learn money basics. Start small and stay consistent. Personal finance is a journey, not a race. If you want to understand money better and build a strong financial foundation, subscribe to this channel. We keep finance simple, practical, and beginner-friendly.